G'day guys, welcome to another video in way out back South Australia, and I found this old sheep farm, and there's an old barn around the back with an old truck in it, but let's go inside the house and see what's around first. Just turn the light on. So we got wallpaper inside, it's all dark. Wow. Would have been a spectacular living room. Fireplace. Must have been the living room, I'd say, with the wallpaper like this. Yes, I don't know when this place was abandoned or when it was built. I'd say it was built way in the late 1800s. Great. Yeah, we'll go through here. Very tall ceilings. More wallpaper. Maybe this could have been the kitchen with the serving. Oh no, there's a kitchen out there. Let's see if we can get out there. Yeah, so this was a grand old lady, this one. All the decorating, even curtains. Fireplace. Load of plaster. Oh, it's even got shingles on the roof. Up there. Oh, terrific. Didn't need to see that. Bloody dead kangaroo on the right hand side here. This is the kitchen. Cocktail assorted biscuits. It's been a lid off a biscuit tin. What's in the oven? Some hot scones would have been nice now. Well, this is where they would have cooked the dinner, and then straight out the serving area. Beautiful old stonework here. This could have been the maid's quarters or the cook. Fireplace. Look at that one, that's a ripper. The corner. pantry. Maybe cooling area. Alright, we'll walk over to the barn and the shearing shed. See what we can find over there. Oh, this place is just like the day they left it. All the equipment there. Check out all the stencils on the wall. All the wool bales would have had some sort of stencil with a date and whose wool bale it is. Looks like an old barn. So we're finally in the garage, and this is what you've been waiting for. Old truck. Pit. Bit of a Mad Max theme, I think. Dual wheels on the back. Wonder what the chain's for on the block. In case it drops out. Doubt it. Flat 6. Not sure what it is. So it is a 1950s Dodge pickup. What's he doing? Very excited little spider. So what's happening next here? Yeah, I reckon she might start. Gee, I wonder if they've turned it into an automatic. Hasn't got a clutch pedal. Oh, and obviously a seat up here for a spotter. I'd say the hooks on the dash were for a rifle. A couple of rifles up there. This is probably what it looked like in its time. Anyway guys, I might leave it here, and I hope you enjoyed it. A little bit different. I'll take some photos and we will see you in the next one. Give us a like and subscribe. Thanks guys.